test button. Fire. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Your smoke and carbon monoxide alarms need to be replaced every 8-10 years. This is the sound of a Kid D model number KN Cope IC low battery alert.
Low battery.
The alarm battery needs to be replaced. If the alarm battery is not replaced within 24 hours or less, this could permanently damage the alarm unit itself, causing the unit to malfunction with the end-of-life chirp, and end-of-life chirp sounds like this. If this chirp continues every 30 seconds, it will not save you from a house fire. Malfunction chirp happens every 30.7 seconds, meaning the alarm has some damage. Both the end-of-life and malfunction chirp mean the alarm needs to be replaced completely. If not, replaced immediately, you might die from carbon monoxide or smoke inhalation. Remember, carbon monoxide is odorless, tasteless, colorless, and can kill you within 15 to 20 minutes. That being said, a carbon monoxide alarm sounds like this. Call your local fire department and furnace boiler or heater company immediately. Grab pets and other family members. Wait for further instructions from emergency personnel. Now let's talk about First Alert, smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. The First Alert model, SC7010BVAC, is highly designed with the voice and location feature. A low battery alert sounds like this.
Replace battery.
Wow, that alert makes families change the alarm battery quicker than before. You should buy talking smoke and carbon monoxide alarms more. I would suggest eBay, though, because it's a lot less expensive. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment what you think. Da Hellboom here. See ya.